so I'm going to be talking about which formulas to give your baby if you are needing to do this. A lot of people ask me which is the best formula. Well, the thing is that there is no best formula. They are all the same pretty much. It's just clever marketing strategies appearing that one gives you so much more than the other. But the way to understand it is that formulas are food. That's where it stays at. It makes your baby grow. And so all of these formulas do the same thing. No formula gives more to your baby than any other. Okay, so whichever brand you decide to use, then just know that that's the one that you carry on with. Now, we should stay on stage 1 milk for the first year. The reason for it is stage 1 milk is actually illegal to advertise. What they did was invent stage 2 milk. Now, they had to alter the product and it is inferior to that stage 1. Stage 2 and stage 3 milks are never necessary. They are just sales gimmicks. Constipation relief, colic relief, extra hungry baby milk. Again, there is no evidence to support them at all whatsoever that these milks can actually help with any of these problems. Not that having a hungry baby is actually a problem. So you can see that actually, but what they come with is a higher price as well. So you're paying for a higher price of something that's probably not even going to work. So please be careful with that as well. Just because it says it's going to do something doesn't mean it actually will. The other thing is that you must be careful over comfort milk as well. Now, in another video about the safe prep of formula, I did explain that the water needs to be at 70 degrees or above to kill the bacteria in the formula to make it safe for your baby. Now, it actually states on the comfort milk that you can't use water above 40 degrees because otherwise the milk congeals. So comfort milk is actually not even going to be safe for your baby. So please try not using that one because we just want to feed your baby in the safest possible way as well. Now, I did say about clever marketing strategies. There are 2 products on the market out there that are actually made in the same factory. You will see they're the same kind of packaging, but one is at a higher price and apparently it is marketed to the upper class. So some are even exactly the same product, but just marketed differently, but you're going to be paying more for it. So please, when it comes to actually giving your baby formula, there is no better than any other. Whichever one that you choose, and make it a stage 1 milk and you use that for the full year, okay? And then they can just go on to cow's milk after that. If you need a more in-depth view, because as I say, I'm just touching, on the very surface here of formula milks, then please go on the website that is First Steps Nutrition. They have in-depth, evidence and surveys about all different of the formula milks and lots of really interesting information on there for if you need this, for if you are formula feeding. So I hope this helps. Safe journey, everyone. Bye.